we're going to measure leg length, and to do this you need to know the bony prominences. The first one at the top is on the tip of the anterior hip bone, the lower corner. If it's difficult to find, you can bend the knee and then it's easier to find from there. The lower point is the inside of the ankle bone, again the bottom point just there. First of all, we need to level up the hips. You're going to bend the knees, you're going to bridge up please, and slowly lower. And straighten out your legs. So for tape measure, start on the top bony point, down to the bottom.